The NSK ESA-LZ10DF1-31 is a member of the Megatorque family of motor controls. At ERD, we repair the entire line and have had an almost 100% success rate on these NSKs for over 20 years. This particular driver came from a large semiconductor company and had a dead power supply. We rebuilt all of the subassemblies of the driver, and as shown in the video, we are testing the output stage with one of our test motors, which acts as a resolver input. At ERD, there is no product we know better than NSK drivers, and we continually outperform any other in this arena. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.